didn't get to enter that second level of the song.
Anyway, when I welcome back on top of the night show, what we discuss today for the night show? A matter of one Nigerian guy when he say the America. He enter as a fine boy, he not get anything we can have entered yet.
Yes.
So Ingas hold on to one babe where Ingo marry. After you don't marry the babe, you can't get green card. Now, one day the guy can come out for house, enter back house. Not be him as enter house, go check him babe for inside bedroom. See the babe, not be with one guy, with two other guys, and they do threesome for inside house.
What do you mean?
Now, you now wait with that guy. Put yourself for this guy's shoe. You want green card. Your girlfriend they cheat on you with two guys, not be one, two. Meaning say you're not rich, you're not money enough.
Therefore, she needed. You don't need one more.
So
you need only
two.
one. You can't need two.
Now, what thing you go do as the guy? You go stay.
Talk true.
Talk true. Talk true. Me, I know what I go do. He still know what he go do.
No, be saying yours go to America. You don't need the America for some time, but yours, you know, in the Dutch things because you don't get green card.
Yes, in the Dutch things. Now, and the marriage is like 2 weeks from that time. Now, the question what they ask you now, you go forgive the babe, continue with the marriage, get green card, or you go say, no, I don't cheat on you. Why will you cheat on me? Break up the relationship. Our phone numbers there on top of TV now. Make you begin the call us. Make you know what thing you talk or you think on top of this matter. On top of Twitter for now.
On top Twitter, just say that policeman for that picture na pinking lips. The man they do. Him don't see the pinking lips for him picking picture. I'm sure. Okay. Now on top this story, say this one na story that touched the guy like. No, the guy no like the babe. Now relationship with benefit, then they do. So make it overlook Mariam. One say, Lillian say, I will not do anything. The green card na in gratuity, and I will forget about him. Now the way God take open my eye, my sister. When you see the green card close to you, you can smell it. In 2 weeks' time, the green card now you get it. Then you say you will forget about it. My sister can't go talk through. Camboy say, me no go shout, I go just pretend say I don't say anything. Yours to get the green card. Then afterward, she could see hell on earth.
Israel, how do?
Israel say,
Israel allowed to say na bye-bye. Make she continue her cheating forever.
Hey, wait, you not talk through Israel.
No, na Israel, no, why you go say not talk through?
Na you go say bye-bye.
No, na mind me talk. And then Anthony Gerald thought say, if it's me, I will remain in the relationship, but after getting the green card, I will break up with her, because I wouldn't like to lose two things at once.
Okay, two things.
Then Mr. Devon say, me, I go continue with the marriage. But when we don't marry finish, now divorce get us Igbo forgive Igbo. I go forgive her. Anyway, send your tweet messages and then call us for our phone lines. Make we know what you get to talk on top of this matter. For our own, make we start the Izy Beatz. Izy Beatz, if now you talk to the regulars, what thing you go do?
Well, first of all, I go to think about them very well. After I don't think about them, finish.
Izy, they spray for. Here, Izy. Please come back to 8. 8 calling Izy Beatz. 8 calling Izy. Please. Yeah. What's wrong? Go back.
From Nedu, good evening. Okay, call us back. Izy Beatz, we'll continue.
So first of all, I go think about them very well. So after I don't think about them, I can't calm down. Then I will tell them, say, because if I can't pretend like say I don't see anything, and she don't say me see. What I do?
No, what do you go do?
Yeah,
I go just enter.
Because you don't enter the bedroom, see him.
I go enter the bedroom, see him, wait to 1 day front, 1 day back. She dey collect, she dey shout, hey, Ibuamo, you have killed me, you have killed me.
First of all, I know say I leave family for house, I leave everybody for house, so I know where they come from. So I go just do the normal gra. Hey, why did you do this? Blah blah blah. We go say to share. I'm not go to vex. I'm not go to vex.
Didi on top Twitter say I'm in love with the green card or not her. After the green card, I go give him red card, my brother.
Well, for me, I will break up with her.
Even you don't believe yourself.
If it's me, I go pray. You know, you get some things when you say, after you talk finish, you go look yourself.
No, you see, no? Even this issue, if I just vex now, I just carry, no, baby, why are you doing this to me?
Yes.
No more. You can't carry phone. Hello? Mommy. Can't call mom for Nigeria. Yes. Mommy. Hey, mommy go say, get it. Calm down, Chukode, calm down. Help. Mommy. Okwa Kimberly. Hello from Bayelsa, good evening. Hello?
Yeah.
Hello? Emmanuel, call us back.
Emmanuel, do your phone line.
Mommy, you say, Mommy, what is your mama go say? What is it? Hey, Mommy, Okwa Kimberly. Mommy, I don't think I want to do it again. Mommy go say, what is it? What happened? He say, Mommy, you know our wedding is in 2 weeks, and because of this agreement, Mom say, yes. Mommy, I want that. Hey! Mommy go say, oh, Guinea, what is it? Mommy, but when I came back. Oh, Mommy, I did not only see one man with a Kimberly. I saw two. Mommy, there are two. One from front, one from back. Mommy. She was shouting.
I was not shouting my name.
She was shouting. I was not my name, Mommy. Mommy go say,
is that
Chukode, calm down. What do you want to do? Hey, Mommy, you are asking me what I want to do. Mommy, I want to break up. Mama go first, no talk. Mommy, I said I want to break up. Hello? Hello, Mommy. Then Mommy, the mother call him. Chukode.
They go call him 3 times.
Chukode.
3 times.
How many times did I call you?
3 times.
Or if you don't want thunder to fire you, go and kneel down now and beg her. Tell her sorry that you saw her. Christian from Lagos, good evening. Hi there, how you side? My brother, declare your asset.
I beg Nedu.
Declare your asset.
Now I go.
Waiting be the property where you get.
You say?
We don't declare our asset. Declare your assets. What will be the property where you get? We don't talk our own property. What will be your own property where you get?
We don't declare our assets.
Hey, when on your TV, they too loud.
Christian, bye-bye. I
beg now.
Now, no go make heaven.
Because
why do you make work so hard? I'm going to complain about you are boss.
If they call us, reduce your TV volume. You don't need to hear yourself. As long as you hear yourself for phone, you don't do okay. And when you call us, first of all, declare your asset, then talk to us. More know whether you go stay or be you not go stay.
Yes.
Then after the mug don't tell the Chukode. And
3 times.
You say 3 times. Chukode. If you know that thunder will not fire you, your papa will not stand up from grave and come and kill you.
Yes.
Go back now.
Right now.
Right now.
Yes.
Go and kneel down to Kimberly. Tell Kimberly, sorry, I do mistake that I saw you. I still love you. Mommy. Don't mommy. I'll go back there now.
No, you cut phone. When you finish,
you can't tell you.
Call me.
When after you finish, call me back.
Yes.
Buy her flower.
That red flower.
That red hibiscus. Buy her hibiscus. And then notice talk say, if not me, I go just do as if say I feel anything like jealousy. After that, I go forgive him because I'm after the money, not the body. Holla.
So that come for the money.
Holla. She come for the money. And then Abby Michael talk say, if not me, I go take him easy. Collect my green card and just let her go. She not be wife material at all.
And
then Lex, a ball of weird.
Yeah.
So I go enter. Set after.
I go enter set. Hey, wait. Who tell you say na film? Lex.
No, you know say they do for football after sack. Like, he say if them finish, if the 2 men finish, him go join him on. Faith, we'll take this call from Kaduna. Good evening.
Hello, how are you doing?
How is you? English.
I'm cool.
You are cool. Samuel, declare your assets.
I don't get assets.
What do you not get any property?
I don't get any property.
Oh, yeah, talk. Samuel.
So what thing you get?
If not, what you not even get babe?
I don't get. Now, you're just your suit I like. That's your...
It's not your asset now.
Now, my suit... you want my suit?
You want me to tell you that I get assets?
Oh, yeah, answer your question.
Okay.
Hey, Honan.
I talked to them 4 minutes.
The guy said, I talked to them. First time today, I talked to them. Their father. That is I don't call them. I don't call them now.
You know what even told
Somewhere, go church on Sunday, go give testimony. Once you reach church, brethren, praise the Lord.
You won't believe what happened to me.
That kind of way you go run. Brethren, praise Master Jesus.
Hallelujah.
You will not believe it. The enemy tried, but they did not succeed.
Shame to the devil.
Shame to bad pastor go say what the Lord has done. Pastor, that is what I'm saying now. Evil people. When I want to call, light will not do. When light will not do, I will not be able to call. But pastor,
I talk to them.
Pastor,
On
Thursday night
yes.
this week, pastor, I connected. Everybody go shout, hallelujah. Who did you connect to? Pastor, night show on Wazobia.
You know, skit be that though.
Nice kid.
Now skit be that.
As in, we confirm audience.
But who go do am now? Na case no.
Kesele no.
Kesele will leave you with
Na Bash and
The
Shapali.
testimonial.
Na Bash and Shapali.
Bash Shabi know the pastor. Now Shapali is the interpreter.
Oh, Bash time be the pastor.
Kesolo is the person that is going to testify.
No, Kesele no go feel shout well.
You sure?
You don't go feel wrong.
Kesele dey shout.
Kesele dey Chris.
He shouts today.
You have not seen Kesolo in his element.
Anyway, for Twitter, it's your man Odozi talks. For me, I go help them. I go help their own fan or AC. Hey, it's your man, God will judge you. Then lock the door. The green card is important. Tuale for the 3 angels in the building. Nice summer, you are too much. And then slide 2003 say, for me, I will keep going with the relationship. For the green card at the same time, I will ask her why.
But why?
Why? Don't forget we all have fantasy. Hello from Enugu, good evening. Call us back. And then Mike say, I will join them because there is love in sharing.
No, you go enter kitchen, go cook for them, they whistle.
No, the one where I like pass, it's so much tear my brain. So I go on AC or fan. For them.
Bring them water.
Bring them water, make them drink. When I need water, then Festus Blaze say, I go just calm down. Collect the green card. After our wedding, I go start the cheat back on her. Make we see who you go pay and pass. You go shock, they'll call police on you. Lock you up. That's the way they do African China. Then go do them to you. It's African China, go there, go shake. Yeah, what's happening here? Go be your best friend. You never know. 9 African China sleep for sale. Not try am.
No, he not talk say sleep. He just say
African China go come show now. He go come this show go full and discuss.
He was out for just a while.
He go come show we go discuss with him.
Okay.
Then Jeremy Clarkson talk say I go just do like say the team pay me for like 1 week. But now through that one I go pass. No baby.
You just the
no baby.
You no go chop.
Look into my eye.
You hurt me real bad.
Not be thank you. You get the English. Yeah. Not be hurt me.
No.
You say hurt.
Yes.
Talk.
You hurt me.
No, do this. Speak the phone.
You hurt me.
You are saying they cry.
You hurt me real bad.
No, you go do like this. In the place a man.
No, na man.
You go one talk. You go do. You know say man when they want cry, they no go show you say they want cry. Go like this.
It's not your man.
Then they go to shake leg.
Not your man. It gets a man with a book. You say, baby, you hurt me real bad. You hurt me real bad.
If they told me,
if they had told me, Kimberly.
Oh, damn it.
Kimberly.
Oh, damn it.
You can't carry a hand knock for table. No. You come.
I would take
then your phone. Look for China phone. If the original phone is not breakable, if not China phone. Say, oh no, Kimberly. Then she'll call the damn baby.
I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry.
Why
no, that
you...
phone, you know they do well.
No, I'm so... Kimberly, now girl, now. I'm
no,
so
you go call me, what's the guy named Choco? Chow cow die. No, I'm so sorry, bye.
Day.
Die. Hello from Abuja. Good evening. Sorry, because Zubi. How is you?
Nah, the Moko.
Are you with me?
Katim, this is your dentition.
I get a come. You mean I'm there now? You mean I'm there?
Oh yeah, Zubi, declare your assets.
Assets. Ha! One, and what on motor man and Jack.
You don't get motor, but you get Jack.
I get Jack, I get spare tire.
He gets spare tire. My brother, now at least next week now, if you buy a side mirror.
An animal cement.
No, it says cement too.
Cement, no.
Cement.
You get factory.
It's a very good something.
Yes.
Now you get Jack, you get spare tire. Next week, buy side mirror.
Yes.
Then buy the paint where you go to take. Then the stickers. Buy the stickers.
What's happened?
Zubi.
You don't understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah, Zubi.
Zubi, you're gonna. Where you there? Now America, you there?
Abuja.
You don't understand what I'm saying?
Oh, now what do you want to tell Kimberly?
Oh yeah, Zubi, what do you go tell Kimberly if not you?
Can what that you know? Here na ko kita no ai mu ha ga mia.
Ke ba ye me?
Here ga mia bu Izy the girl na lia.
Ani man even
don't wear blue card.
Okay.
Visa.
Blue.
Na lia here ni no.
Anam.
Bayazia economy flight there, where by your obodo. We dey visa there.
That is after you have the visa, no kwaya?
Everything, no.
Then you buy your obodo also. Nah, thank you. I'm going to good night. You hear what Izy Beatz talk? You say you're not going to do anything. Marry the girl. When don't marry and finish. When don't collect green card. Then one morning you just stand up. Waka come out. Go another country. Go stay.
You know what I'm saying? Zubi, a very wicked man. But Zubi.
And then Adenka say, I go join them for the middle. Come make her enjoy my own pass. Adenka, God will judge you. And then Uncle Snippy said, Nedu, not to play along, carry my green card, waka, no time. What? And then
just like Zubi talk now.
Hey, this watcher now, make sure no, you're showing you're safe. Over.
Out.
Roger that.
Out. Yeah.
And then Festus Blaze talk say, how them go lock me? How them go lock me? She too cheats now. Okay. No, then no say she cheats.
No.
Now after you don't marry her, where you can't do it, she go report you. Say you do bad thing, and well now you don't become citizens in that time. Yeah. So they're not gonna feed you. My brother, even those baby citizens there, they do them anyhow. They hear me. As long as say you black.
She know what she go tell them.
Last time I go Shodi for America. I know now. You know if you don't go Shodi for America before.
No, I never go there.
I don't used to go to America.
No, I don't used to go to those kind of places. What's it? They sell the moto?
No, they don't sell. They sell. They sell what going?
Vegetables.
Vegetable.
Okay, I don't used to go there because it's what I used to chop here.
Man, K-Mos don't go one time like that. You get one day we just day for evening.
When I finish the food for plate.
No, what happened that day? We just day for Nigeria here. We just tire. We just say more you go chop corn for America.
Okay.
So that's how we can go
for night. When I yours.
Okay. We just go chop corn, come back. From Mina, good evening.
Okay.
Hello, Nedu. Are you with me?
I am with you, Miriam. Oh, yeah, declare your asset.
Yeah. Oh, your laughter.
Katim.
Ma?
Too much.
I'm yours trying. It's my talent and my asset.
I do like you.
Miriam, you don't marry?
I don't mind you.
Oh, yeah, declare. How many property you get?
I get 4.
Okay. Where?
So I get 2 boys, 2 girls.
Okay.
Oh, now that be your property? Your husband no join?
What is it?
Your husband no join?
You know.
Hey! Where he there? Your husband dead there?
No, he's not dead.
Where he go?
You go.
He go.
Hey! Work for this Niger or, you know?
Where in the work?
Government house.
Government house. And you thought say it not be your asset. Hey!
My sister.
My sister, oh! Okay, who dey your compound? You get any single boy will be your asset? Which kind of would you laugh?
I don't know.
All those Nigerian film Nollywood.
Oh, yeah, Miriam talk.
Oh, yeah, Miriam talk. Would they hear you? I dey fear this. I dey suspect this her laugh.
He just dey laugh anyhow.
I dey suspect her.
This kind one fit cook you for pot. You no go know say na inside pot you dey.
It's just not be easy. You just not be easy. Beat. She thought say she not get husband. Make easy beat
Abuja,
for no.
and you know say easy dey sometimes easy dey go Abuja. So we don't used to suspect. We don't used to know. Easy go.
No,
like
what I even suspect more now the laugh. One person want to do wicked.
But you know say that time I know even look easy face to even see.
Anyway, we go pass more chicken break for you want to come back. We go continue. What we discuss on top of the night show now? Say one guy Chukode. Where go America? As he go America now, fine boy now. He not get work, he not get anything. In friends call and talk say make him follow one babe. Now so he begin follow the babe. Cause say then get married in 2 weeks time. Not be in Choko, they come out. Come back house. See Kimberly, where be your Igbo girlfriend. They on top bed with not be only one guy, 2 guys. Then they do 3 some. Have in girlfriend and 2 other guys. Now, the question what they ask you now, what did Mechuko they do? Make you break up the relationship or make you marry the girl for the green card?
Remember, say wedding in 2 weeks time.
Remember, say wedding in 2 weeks time. Will they come back? We'll pass more chicken break.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make you sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.